Family likeness isn't strong, so you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Special? Now come along, all, and stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. Oh, and beware of the cat.
Look at him, like a Randy and his knees are not. Look at him, down with obviously eggshell shocked. That the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and
Have
scoff?
you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?